Is the DJI Osmo Pocket worth your $350? We're gonna find out. What's up, everybody? I'm the Every Other Day Dad, and if I can break it, so can you. I didn't have an Ohio State hat, so stick around. What's going on, everybody? I'm Original Dobo, and if this is your first time here on my channel, welcome. I do drone and tech related media, so if that's your thing, definitely consider hitting that subscribe button, turn on notifications so you don't miss another video just like this. Also, if you aren't already, make sure you're following me on Twitter, Instagram. That is where I post most regularly. Again, I have Lisbon issues. Also, so many have asked, so I have created a Patreon account, so if that's something you're interested in, that's also in the link in the description below. I do post exclusive content there only that you won't find here on the channel. Today, we're talking about the Osmo Pocket. I've had it for over a week now. What are my final thoughts? Is this a buy or is this a pass? I decided to take it out to Universal Studios to do a final test in a vlogging situation, and I filmed everything in automatic. Now, I did go pretty hard on this little guy when I first got it, and basically I was very critical on it. I'm critical on most products because, again, when we're talking about $350, we have to know what we're getting for that price. Regardless of the size, I don't discount its capabilities, and it's pretty impressive. So we went ahead and filmed this entire video, 1080p, 60 FPS. This video was filmed in 4K 30 frames per second, downscaled to 1080p for consolidated sake because it's pretty long. But all the settings were shot in automatic. I just wanted to basically look at this video like if somebody didn't know anything about cinematography, picked this up, just started filming, what would they get out of it? So that's exactly how I shot and edited this video clip you're about to see. It's a little long, about 3.5 minutes. So I'll be back after this played. We haven't made it.
Still shot.
No, I'm taking video. It's like vlogging. See, it's tracking right here.
Tracking you?
Yeah, it's tracking me. So if I, it'll track your face. That's the old gimbals. Man, it's an incredibly nice day out, actually.
Yeah, I told you.
I want to try to go to Islands of Adventure since Universal is a shit show right now.
Are you vlogging?
Yeah, I am.
Think we get on that?
What try to say?
Yo, what up? Yo, Original Dobo got his name called in Starbucks. Subscribe.
I don't know if you. No, I really appreciate that. Thank you, Steven.
Don't even say you know me. Say I'm random.
He's random. Oh, cutsies? Oh my God, Steven.
We saw him, the cat in the hat.
You do not want to play. He should not be about when your mother resides. Why, we can have lots of good fun if you wish.
Oh, that's cool.
Your mother is near. Go as fast as you can. Think of something to do.
follow Original Dobo.
All right.
He knows drones and he knows phones. Yeah, I got robbed last time there. The burger was good though, the custom burger. I know. The chicken. Which looked good too. This is good. Is this, where is this, right? What is this?
Poseidon's Fury.
Oh, are we not going on?
Somewhat of an expert.
So all in all, I'm really impressed with this little camera. Like I said, I took it out, it started raining. It was a really miserable day yesterday. There was a lot of wind. And I think the Osmo... So all in all, I'm really impressed with this little guy. For the compactness of it, we took it on rides that probably we shouldn't have took it on, and it did really well. One of the things I like about this is how fast it boots up, and I'm able to get out of my pocket and just start shooting. I think it's a little bit more svelte than that of a GoPro, so this is where this definitely has the advantage, at least for me, when I'm vlogging. I've said this before, and I was actually having a conversation with the everyday dad at Spin Up, and I said, I am a lazy vlogger. If it takes too much energy to get a camera set up and ready to vlog, I won't do it. I'm also the type of person that I have to have all my gear back in its spot, and it just bothers me having gear out. Like I'm neurotic, I'm sorry. But this makes filming videos and capturing moments out in the field much, much easier. And it's probably going to be the reason why I take this over my main gimbal to CES, because I think this will be easier to capture all of the moments from the show floor than to have to set up a gimbal, calibrate it, take the camera off the gimbal to be able to do interviews or film. So yeah, this is definitely going with me to CES, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So for me, this is an absolute buy. I think the $350 really isn't that bad after using it for a week. Even if you don't buy any accessories, which many probably won't, but if you do, you know, it does get a little bit costly, but when we really think about it and break all this down, where can you get a camera that shoots 4K 60 stabilized for $350? You can't, and you won't find one anywhere. So definitely is a win. Links will be in the description below. Again, once again, thank you so much to DroneWorks for providing me this so I can do these videos. I plan on abusing the hell out of this in future videos in a comparison between the 360, the GoPro Hero 7, and this to see who really is the king of stabilization. But that's all I have for you guys today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and as always, stay original.